Happy wife, happy life.
Cowboy's going back to work today after 2 weeks of vacation. Not actually vacation.
Every day's a vacation with you, honey.
Okay, whatever.
Yeah,
Making latte.
but even though I gotta go to work, though, you gotta wake me up when they start crying and help, so I can help you at night still. Like she did everything last night. If they fussed, she jumped up and got them. I never even got a chance to hear them.
Sometimes I don't hear them, so.
Yeah, but I can still help you at night, even though I still gotta go to work. I could
Okay.
let her know. People let her know that I still have to help her at night. So she's well rested during the day. Because my mom can't come over this morning because she had to go to the hospital and.
Yeah, she's sick, so I'll be here by myself, but I'll be fine.
Hopefully she can come Tuesday.
Okay. Be good at work.
Oh, I will. I'll be
Yeah.
tired.
Don't flirt.
Okay. Everybody's going to ask him about the babies. My buddy kept saying that everyone keeps asking him how, they're doing and how you're doing.
So yun guys, kaalis lang ni Calvo and then nagising si Dawson, tapos after 5 minutes nagising naman si Brayden. Okay lang, every minutes counts ng pahinga. Anyway, siguro 2 hours lang yung tulog ko magdamag and hati-hati pa siya kasi I try not to wake up Calvo so he has energy to go to work. Kasi kawawa naman kapag aantok-antok, so hindi ko siya ginising magdamag. And then, sabi niya sa akin, huwag mong gagawin yan. Dapat gigisingin mo pa rin ako. But, I did good all night. Hindi naman ako masyadong antok. Medyo lutang lang. Anyway, kakain muna ako kasi baka makalimutan ko pang kumain. It's muffin. Ito lang ang kakainin ko, tsaka orange juice. Tulog na ulit yung dalawa, kaya pagkatapos kong kumain, iidlip ulit ako. Sana walang magising. Sana kahit 1 oras lang. Sumasakit kasi yung tahi ko, kailangan kong kumain at uminom ng pain reliever. After 20 minutes, nagising si Brayden. Hindi ko alam kung ilang minutes ako nakatulog, but it's okay, at least nakapahinga. Gutom na gutom. Yeah, gusto niyang hawakan yung kanyang bote. So yun guys, so far so good. It's almost 11 o'clock. This is baby Dawson. Katapos ko lang siya paliguan and now I'm going to feed him and Brayden is still sleeping. So far, hindi pa sila nagsasabay. Nakikisama sila. Pero yung mukha ko mukhang ngarag na. Nakikinig lang siya. He was crying when I was giving him a bath. Kasi ayaw niya nang pinapaliguan, ayaw niya nang pinupunasan, ayaw niya nang binibihisan siya. Hi, baby. Say hi to them. Hi, everybody. His big brother fall asleep. Baby brother woke up. Aringit si Brayden kasi gutom to. Ang tagal na tulog. Padidiin ko muna. Daddy's home for lunch.
Hello, baby. I want my food. Where's my food?
What are you eating for lunch?
Just get a piece of cheese or something.
How's your work?
Boring. Not really doing nothing.
Okay.
People are asking me how you're doing, how the babies are.
It's,
Oh,
oh
you're
no,
awake.
hon, he's big. Look.
Oh, just a little bit. Where's the... Oh, look at... Oh.
He's been laying there for like 30 minutes or so.
Hey, baby.
Get something to eat.
Oh, I ain't worried about that one. See these guys.
Daddy
Hey,
misses
Daddy
the
missed you
baby.
guys.
Not mommy.
I miss you too.
Yeah, whatever.
I can't see who I got. I got Brayden, right?
Okay.
Hey, baby. He's happy to see me, I can tell.
Yeah, okay.
He's trying to kiss my arm.
He wants food.
Do you want food already? After
3 after?
That gives me enough time to get back, yeah. I clocked out at 43 after.
I thought 3 o'clock.
Huh?
I thought you said 3 o'clock.
Oh,
I think it needs milk, hon. Just leave it there. I'm gonna feed.
Okay.
Or Dawson.
I tried to help out while I was here. I tried.
Bumalik na ulit si Calv sa work. Ang kanyang hospital na pinagtatrabahuan ay only 5 minutes away. Doon din ako nanganak, kaya every lunch break, lagi siyang umuwi dito para kumain. So, it's almost 1 o'clock. Napatulog ko na yung dalawa. So far, so good. Nakaya ko. I still have 2 more hours before Calv will come home and he got out work at 3 o'clock. I'm having grapes and peanut butter sandwich for my lunch. Madaliin kong pagkain bago magising yung dalawa. And I hope I'll still have time to take a nap. Medyo iniiwasan ko lang na kargahin silang masyado. Lalo na pag naglalakad ako or nakatayo kasi dinudugo pa rin ako. Tsaka kapag kinakarga ko sila, nararamdaman ko mas heavier yung bleeding. Siguro kasi yung pressure, kasi ang bigat na nila ngayon. I think Dawson is already like almost 8 pounds and Brayden is 9 pounds now. So, yung pressure kapag karga-karga ko sila, kaya medyo iniiwasan ko. Minsan hindi ko maiwasan kasi pag umiiyak sila. Yun guys, pagkatapos dumede, tulog-tulugan. Pinapaburp ko. Ayan, tulog na tulog si Dawson. Ayan na guys, sabay nagising ang dalawa. Actually, natulog ulit si Brayden. Walang pakialam. Nilagay ko sa isang bassinet. Walang pakialam yung isa. Okay, here we go. Let's go have milk. Look at your brother, just listening to you. Oh, look at Brayden. Galit na rin si Brayden, oh. Iyak ka daw ng iyak. Here's your Dawson. Brayden is sleeping and Calvo just got home from work. Why are you late?
My girlfriend, I told you. I had to go to Walmart, pick up the stuff we ordered for the babies.
Bagong sweldo si Daddy bumili ng swing. You got your paycheck, you bought the swing.
Yeah.
I got a coupon from Kohl's because my birthday is coming. Hey, give me that. Get 10.
We'll buy the baby something. We'll buy an outfit.
Get 10 Kohl's cash.
Babies.
Yay. Buy me a outfit. It's my birthday.
You can buy an
Actually,
outfit for,
my birthday is next month.
you can buy an outfit for $10.
When is my birthday, Han?
February 25th, February 12th.
See, you almost forget.
February 12th.
Remember, February 12 and February 14 is different.
No, they're the same.
Cowboy boat swing. Is that what you call it? Swing
Yeah.
for the twins.
I hope they like it. I hope it's easy to put together.
I know. Put it together. They're awake now, so maybe we can try.
I hope it'll work.
I think Brayden likes the swing, or maybe he's just too sleepy because Dawson was crying earlier. Maybe Dawson was like hungry.
Yeah. I don't have,
It's
we
feeding
need batteries. We don't have the batteries, so right now we gotta push it with our feet.
Oh, if you got battery,
It'll
like
go automatically.
manual, automatic. It's so cute. Thank you, Daddy. Brayden likes it. Sleeping now.
I'm taking Dawson's back. Just kidding, Dawson.
Daddy is on duty after work.
I need help. I've been doing this for 2 hours.
He just feed Dawson and he's crying.
I just changed his diaper too. Not this, I don't think he pooped or anything.
Okay, I will check, and I will check our food because it's 6 o'clock. Mommy is hungry. We're just having tilapia. We cook it in the air fryer. It's way healthier kasi hindi mo siya gagamitan ng oil. Niluto lang sa hangin kaya air fryer. Ayan, luto na siya. And then, yung kanin namin ay luto na rin. So ito guys, tilapia and rice. Wala na kaming maisip na kainin ni Kalbo. Kaya kung ano na lang yung nasa fridge, yun na lang yung namin lulutuin, yung mabilis lang. So, okay na to. Gutom na ako. Si Cubs ay nagpapadede pa, yun umiiyak. Mamaya na daw siya kakain pagkatapos. I have to take my pills, so I have to eat first. Si Cubs. Ayun guys, papatulong kami ng dalawa. Is with Brayden, I'm with Dawson. Nilagay ko dito si Dawson sa bassinet kasi kinakarga ko. Ayan. Kinakarga ko, ang likot-likot, tapos ayaw matulog. So, nilagay ko na lang siya dyan. And Cowboy is trying to...
I just finished feeding him and burping him.
Okay. I thought you're trying to make him fall asleep.
Oh yeah, that would be nice.
But it's still early, so it would be okay if they stay awake and so they will sleep a little longer later kasi ngarag na ako. I feel so lightheaded. Siguro kasi wala akong gaanong tulog. And, Calbo, how are you?
Not too bad.
You tired?
Yes, I fell asleep earlier today.
Nakatulog na, buti pa
with
si
the kids for like 2 hours. No, hour and a half.
When I was taking a shower, he fell asleep while the kids were sleeping.
I was busy. I changed 2 diapers and fed one.
Yeah.
And
But
I was tired.
our first day together, we did good.
Yes.
And I hope it
I'm proud
stays.
of mommy.
I hope it stays like that tomorrow, or much better.
Because I know it's hard, and I think she did a good job.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I need a prize. A
Price.
one-day shopping spree. Just kidding. So yun lang guys. Maraming salamat everyone. We appreciate everybody who is reaching out. Yung mga hihingi ng address namin and they're saying that they wanted to send gifts to the twins. Thank you everyone.
Yeah,
And
we appreciate
to
everyone's
all,
thoughtfulness.
yeah, to everybody that been watching our vlog ever since, at sa mga bago namin viewers, you guys help us a lot.
Yeah, also we wanted to say all of our thoughts and prayers to go out to the families and stuff to that bombing that happened at that cathedral, wasn't it?
Yeah, I think
20
it's in
people.
Mindanao. Yeah, he saw it on the news. Actually, he was the one who told me about it, and yeah, I read it online, and it was so
terrible.
devastating that they have to do it in the church.
Yeah, I
you
know. Of all places.
But anyway, yun lang for today, guys. Maraming salamat. And I'll see you guys tomorrow.
Bye,
Bye
everyone.
everyone. Bye,
Say bye.
Brayden. Bye, Daddy.
Say.